Before glass towers pierced the clouds, before railways stitched continents together, before engines roared and cities glowed at night, there was iron. Not bright like gold, not rare like diamonds, but dark, heavy, and hidden deep within the earth. Iron does not seek attention, yet it has shaped every civilization that ever rose. This is the story of iron ore, a rock born in dying stars, laid down in ancient oceans, and forged by human fire into the backbone of the modern world. Iron's story begins far beyond Earth. In the violent hearts of massive stars, lighter elements fused under unimaginable pressure. Hydrogen became helium. Helium became carbon. Carbon became oxygen. But fusion ends with iron. Iron is the final product of stellar burning, the point where stars can no longer sustain themselves. When those stars collapsed and exploded as supernovae, iron was scattered across the universe. The atoms in steel bridges, in railways, and even in human blood were forged in stellar death. Iron is cosmic. When Earth formed 4.6 billion years ago, iron played a defining role. Heavy iron sank toward the planet's center, creating the molten core. That core generated Earth's magnetic field, a shield protecting life from solar radiation. Without iron, Earth would be sterile and lifeless. Iron does not just build civilization. It makes life possible. Iron ore is rock that contains iron in sufficient concentration to be mined economically. The most important iron-bearing minerals are hematite, FeO, red, dense, high-grade; magnetite, FeO, magnetic, extremely iron-rich; goethite, FeO, OH, hydrated iron oxide; siderite, FeCO, iron carbonate. Iron rarely occurs as pure metal in nature. It binds readily with oxygen, carbon, and sulfur. To unlock iron, humans must break those bonds. Early Earth's oceans were rich in dissolved iron. There was little free oxygen in the atmosphere. Iron remained soluble, drifting silently through ancient seas. Then life changed everything. Around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria began releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. That oxygen reacted instantly with dissolved iron. Iron precipitated out of seawater, settling onto the ocean floor. Layer by layer. Red iron oxide. Dark silica. Thus were born banded iron formations, BIFs. These formations stretch for hundreds of kilometers and contain the majority of the world's iron ore. The oxygen that made complex life possible also locked iron into stone. As tectonic plates shifted, oceans closed, continents collided, seafloors rose into mountains. Banded iron formations were uplifted, folded, and exposed. What was once seabed became iron-rich highlands. The iron that powers modern industry is fossilized oxygen history. Major iron deposits occur in ancient, stable crusts. Pilbara Craton, Australia. Minas Gerais, Brazil. Labrador Trough, Canada. Odisha Chhattisgarh Belt, India. Kursk Magnetic Anomaly, Russia. These regions are geological time capsules, places where iron survived billions of years of change. The first iron used by humans did not come from Earth. It fell from the sky. Meteorites composed of iron-nickel alloys were worked into tools and ornaments. To early civilizations, iron was sacred, metal from the heavens. Even the word for iron in some ancient languages means metal of the gods. Around 1200 BCE, humans learned to extract iron from ore. This was no simple task. Iron requires higher temperatures than bronze. Early furnaces struggled to reach the heat needed. But once mastered, iron changed everything. Iron tools were stronger than bronze, more abundant, cheaper to produce. Iron plows transformed agriculture. Iron weapons reshaped warfare. Empires expanded. Populations grew. The Iron Age was not just a technological shift, it was a social revolution. Blacksmiths became central figures in society. Iron gates, armor, horseshoes, and tools defined daily life. Forests were cut to make charcoal. Iron fueled early industry. Civilization marched forward on iron rails. Modern iron exploration relies on geology and physics. Geological mapping, identifying ancient sedimentary sequences. Magnetic surveys. Magnetite reveals itself through Earth's magnetic field. Drilling and sampling, confirming grade and thickness. Iron is often invisible at the surface, but impossible to hide from physics. Open pit mining, used for shallow deposits. Gigantic machines move mountains daily. Underground mining, used for deeper or higher grade ores. Iron mining operates on a planetary scale. Raw iron ore must be upgraded. Steps include crushing, grinding, magnetic separation, flotation. The goal? Increase iron content and remove waste. The blast furnace. Iron ore, coke, and limestone are led into a towering furnace. Temperatures exceed 1,500 degrees Celsius. Chemical reactions strip oxygen from iron oxide. Molten iron collects at the bottom. Limestone plays a critical role. It binds impurities into slag, allowing pure iron to separate. Without limestone, modern steel would not exist. Geology supporting geology. Pig iron contains too much carbon. Refining removes excess carbon and impurities. Steel is born, stronger, tougher, and more versatile. Steel is iron perfected. Iron-powered. Steam engines. Railways. Factories. Shipbuilding. The Industrial Revolution was built on iron and coal. Modern civilization accelerated at an unprecedented pace. Iron reshaped warfare. Cannons. Tanks. Battleships. Aircraft frames. Control iron. Control industry. Control industry. Control power. The 20th century's great conflicts were fought with iron and steel. Iron is everywhere. Buildings, vehicles, appliances, infrastructure, medical equipment. Even your blood depends on iron to carry oxygen. Iron is both industrial and biological. Iron ore is the most traded commodity by volume. Entire nations depend on it. Steel production defines economic strength. Iron is geopolitics made solid. Iron mining scars landscapes. Smelting emits carbon dioxide. The metal that built civilization now challenges the planet. Scientists pursue green steel, hydrogen-based smelting, recycling efficiency. Iron must evolve again, just as it did billions of years ago. Iron flows through your blood. Iron holds up your world. born in dying stars, locked in ancient oceans, forged by human fire. Iron is not just a metal. It is the backbone of civilization. If this journey through deep time and industry changed the way you see metal and stone, subscribe the Geologic lens. Because every civilization has a geological origin, and every future begins beneath our feet.